आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे केमिस्ट्री के बारे में, सम बेसिक केमिस्ट्री. ओके, व्हाट इज दैट actually there is just three branches of science. Okay, generally we can divide the science as three branches. One is science can divide in three branches. One is your physics, one is your chemistry, another is your biology. Again, that biology in divided two parts. This is one is the botany, another is the zoology. Okay, this is the division, genuine divisions of science. Then that physics tells our daily activity. This relate with our daily activity. Okay, that means we are habituated with that physics. But that chemistry takes the chemical formula, some equations, how our matter start, how our molecule start, how our earth start, everything. The basic concept of science depends upon chemistry. Next is the biology. Biology means this contain both botany and zoology. Botany is related with the plant kingdom, and that biology is related with the animal kingdom. Okay, okay, that means this is the branches of science which we can divide that science as three types. One is physics, chemistry, biology. There is various types, various branches of science, but genuinely you can say that this is a three type of science. Today we discuss about that chemistry, this part. Okay, I'll give you every type of video from science, mathematics. So please subscribe my channels, keep liking, keep enjoying, stay home, stay safe. Okay, so we have to discuss about chemistry. See here, what is that? Chemistry. Okay, first of all, chemistry means first questions arises from chemistry. What is matter? What is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and having a proper mass. Okay, in our universe there is matter is anything which occupies a space in our universe and having a mass. This is the matter. So most important is matter. Write down. What is matter? See here. This is matter means two categories: occupies space and another one having a proper mass. This is your matter. Okay. Then after that, some research of scientists says that if we divide a matter, see here, if we simply divide a brick, here is a brick. If we simply divide it, then this can be a two parts. That's a 4 part, 8 part. In that way, that brick is being down to very small part. Okay, this is the smallest part of brick. After that, the very smallest part is called atom, or in Indian this is called Parmanu. Okay, so atom is anything which is the smallest entity of a matter. Okay, if we divide a matter to smallest part, the last entity or last particle is known as the atom. Okay, we have to discuss about atom today. What is atom? How atom? What is the compositions of atom? Today we discuss about it. Okay, we just did this first class, basic class, so I don't think there is the main or vital thing. This is the only basic thing. So only check it. What is this? This is the basic concept. I will give you every type of chemistry related thing, physics related, everything. Okay, so just subscribe my channel to find all the knowledge about chemistry, physics, biology and mathematics, as well as also some general knowledge and current affairs. See here. After that chemistry, we have to develop atom. Atom is the smallest entity. Okay, what is this? Smallest entity of matter. Okay, and atom is very small that you can't imagine also its size. You cannot compare anything with the size. You can't compare. If you think any smallest object, atom is 1,000 times, lakh times, billion times smaller than your thinking smallest object. Okay, so we can't see the atoms in your naked eye. This is not possible. Also, we cannot also able to see that in a simple microscope. This is require a heavy microscope. Okay, after magnifying it, let this is your atom. Let this is your atom. Also, atom is made up of the three things. One is your proton, neutron, and electron. Okay, there is the three things. This is the proton, electron, and neutron. You know that proton is the positive charge, electron is the negative charge, whereas the neutron is the no charge. Neutron having no charge. Okay, see here. That proton, electron, and neutron are revolving, that not revolving around the, see here, no, don't go there, see here. This is your nucleus, this is your nucleus. Nucleus means the middle part of that atom. It contains that proton or positive charge. Here is the proton means positive charge, electron means negative charge. Positive, negative. Okay, then neutron, no charge. Okay. According to our science, all proton and that neutrons are present in nucleus. Positive and neutron present in nucleus. Okay, and the negative charges are revolving around that nucleus. Okay. And remember one thing, if it toss that whiteboard, any charge? No. Why not? Because as it is made up of the atoms, as it has some amount of positive charge, some amount of negative charge, but this is neutral. Why? Because this is neutral, that's so. Because this is neutral, because see here. Number of, always remember in an atom, number of positive charge always equal to number of negative charge. That means if this atom contains 5 positive charge, this atom also contains 5 negative charge. Okay, that's why there's 5 positive and 5 negative. Net resultant is 0. As neutron having no charge, so resultant is 0. If each atoms are resulting charge is 0, so if the constituent of all atom, resultant is 0. That's why this is a neutral object or uncharged object. I will tell you that about that electric charge on physics class. Why electric shocks gives us pain? Why that electric shocks? Why that conduct electricity? I tell you later. Okay. This is all about atom. Just remember this one only. Okay. Then we comes to what is an element actually. I don't give any mathematical information about it because this is the first class about chemistry. I will give you everything. Don't worry, I will give you everything, but just keep patience. As this is my new channel, I don't give all of the things. See here. What I told you, that is element. What is an element? Element is that when 2 atoms or more than 2 atoms combine to form element. Element always takes a same kind of atom to attend their now we can say that octet state. Okay, element is that take the same kind of atoms to attain their octet state. Okay, what is the element? Element is that which contain same kind of atoms. Okay, let example. We know that hydrogen is an atom, oxygen is an atom also. So everyone is an atom, but instead of writing hydrogen as H, we always write that H2. That means H cannot be S cannot be written because S cannot obtain their octet state. I will tell you what is octet state, everything I will tell you, but now you have to just remember this one ki S is a atom, but we can't write that S. We can't write that S because S cannot be fulfill their octet state. That's why we write that form. This is the H2 hydrogen. Okay. In that way, O means this can write as O2. O cannot be in a single state. So octet state O2. In case some case O can O3. This is oxygen. This is ozone. Okay. See here. In here all substance, everything. This is an element. This is an element. This is an element. Everything is an element. But it contains 2H. It contains 2O. It contains 3O. That means in all nitrogen, you can take also nitrogen. Nitrogen also contains 2. That means in all cases we can say that everywhere is the element and it contains the same kind of atom. Okay. Next we go to compound. Okay. Next we go towards compound. What is compound? Next we go to compound. What is compound? Compound is the mixtures of different kind of atom. Compound is the mixture of different kind of atom. See here. If this is carbon, this is oxygen, these two mix to form carbon monoxide. This is a compound. But remember one thing, compound takes different atom. Compound takes different atom to form their octet state, to attain their octet state. Okay. This is all about, this is about compound. In that way you can take so much compound like H2O, like carbon CO2, like NH3. You can take any. These all are compound. Okay. These all are compound. And compound always in a proper ratio. Compound always in a proper ratio. You have to write the every and each point perfectly. Okay. Then we now go towards molecule. What is molecule? Molecule is that which is the mixture of maybe same kind of atom, maybe different kind of atom, that same kind of atom can say that element. That different kind of atom in proper ratio can say that this is the compound. And there is another type, any ratio. If more than one atom mix in any ratio, that's also called molecule. Okay. That means here we can say that this is not possible actually in chemistry. Okay, this is actually not possible. This is in the written format. This is not possible actually in chemistry. But these two are possible. Element and compound are possible. If we add them, we not add them. If this element can say that the molecule, compound can say that's the molecule. Okay. This is all about your basic chemistry. What is the compound, what is the atom, what is molecule. Then what can we say that? Then we can say that element molecule. Okay. Then next chapter will be your atomic number, atomic mass, molecular mass, molar mass, Avogadro's number. So much things I will tell you again next basic chemistry.